a great video to do. Let's compare all of the 60-volt scooter style e-bikes because it's confusing. It's like, which one is for you? Two of these bikes come in 48 volt or 60 volt. We're just comparing 60 volt versions of the Hornet and the Atto. Evoque only comes in 60, Emmo Merona only comes in 60. Let's go with price. $21.99, $2,099. Doesn't even come in lead acid. It only comes in one battery, which is 26 amp hour, and it's $28.99, steal of a deal. And the Hornet is $21.99, so same as the Merona. 26 amp hour, so almost 30 is $28.99, which this is $31.99. The Evoque is the best price, best bang for your buck, if you're going for lithium, hands down. The cheapest one right now is the Atto. They have a $200 off, so it's $18.99, but regular $2,099. So price point, they're within hundreds of dollars. Even if you go with the lithium, they're still within, yeah, the Evoque's better. It's on sale for $29.99, $31.99, $31.99, $31, $32.99. So to me, price doesn't matter. Let's find a bike that suits you. They all have the same size tires. They just all have different seating. The highest seat out of all of them is the Hornet. I'm tippy toe on this, I'm 5'3". It has the highest seat. The lowest seat is going to be the Atto. The next is going to be the Evoque, and then the Merona is in between the Evoque and the Hornet. How do you choose one? Well, this is why I love to talk to people, because I'm really good at consulting and asking a lot of questions. For example, if you need a lot of distance, the Hornet comes in, you can get a dual battery system. So you can have a battery on the floor and battery underneath the seat. Hands down, if you need to get 100, 200 kilometers, that's the one to go. The Evoque, in my opinion, I love the noises, is just a newer, more futuristic design, and dollar for dollar in the 26 amp hour lithium, this is your best bang for your buck. Seating, we went over passengers. If you need to have a passenger, the Atto has no foot peg for the passenger. So the Atto is very small. You have to be two very small people to be able to fit comfortably on that one. In my opinion, the Atto is the most comfortable for a passenger because the driver has their full seat and then the passenger has their little seat at the back, but they come with foot pegs. So it's quite comfortable that way. Cruise control, I'm a big fan of cruise control. The Merona has that. Radio, Merona has that. So that's kind of nice. And there's just gonna be maybe a bike you just really like the style of. You know, I don't like the Hornet, it's not my favorite. It's just not for me. What else would you want to know? They all have tubeless tires, they all have a alarm system. The Emos come with storage. They come standard with the tail box, which is really nice. You don't have any storage on the Evoque Atom, but you also don't have any storage under the seat for the Atto, because regardless of whether you get lead acid or lithium, it always goes under the seat. If you were to get lead acid and you don't need to remove the batteries, Merona gets my vote for that one because it's so well balanced. Same with the Hornet, if you just get the batteries that go on the floor, very well balanced. But if you get lithium, it does take over your storage. When we look at Speedos, hi Carol. Oh, did you do the rest of the key transfers? No problem. Lastly, show you a little side view, 5'3", very comfortable. If you're taller, maybe not. Addo will be the shortest, not by much, okay? I like the curve of the handles on this one. I don't know if you can see that, but I like the curve. Anyways, still flat-footed. If you buy them, we'll change out these pedals to folding because these are no bueno. And the Hornet, probably the most unique out of them because you can get a dual system, but just a little bit taller. These also been around since 2012, so I mean, and they have, yeah. So this is nice and protected. But anyways, there's a size difference there. I hope that helps in your shopping journey. I hope that you call RideTheWindEbikes so I can kind of help consult going forward if you're not able to come to the showroom, because we have all of these in the showroom for you to come and sit and touch, but we're all over Canada. In fact, we sell more direct than we do from our store because of our YouTube, so thank you for that. And if you're thinking of buying, please give us a call. We'd love to earn your business.